Hello family, welcome to my channel. As from 6 months, you should have started introducing baby cereals and soft and semi-solid family foods to your baby. This is a good time to add SMA GOLD too to the cereals and foods. You might not need to sterilize your baby's feeding items like when he or she is below 6 months. Just wash them and keep them clean, because as from 6 months they would have started putting their hands and other items in the mouth. If you have to sterilize, I have a video in this channel on how to sterilize baby's feeding items. If your baby has been exclusively breastfed or has been on bottle feeding, this is the right time to transition to use of spoons and bowls or plates, and helping him or her with sipping from cup. Cups, bowls and spoons are easier to keep clean than feeding bottle. Feeding bottles have all these bends and folds that can actually hide germs. Moreover, you wouldn't want your baby to be so dependent on feeding bottles. For the amount to give according to age, the feeding table has been shown. If this is the first time of starting your baby on formula, you might need to start small to be able to observe whether your baby reacts to the milk or how he or she receives the milk. Then work your way up to 180 ml. So use the appropriate amount of water and the scoops of milk to avoid the tummy upset for your baby and for your baby to get adequate nutrition. Whether you use it alone, whether you give it to your baby alone, or you are mixing it with cereals or his or her foods. Like in this video, I started with 60 ml of water and 2 scoops, but that's not the appropriate amount of water to use. You use 180 ml. Thank you for watching.